And the day begins as I walk into my kitchen. Festival of Speed. Bring it on. Happy days. Working. First day in Goodwood, yay! Here we go, we can do this, smash it. Getting prepped up for the final day in Goodwood, Festival of Speed. Happy days, it's Sunday, we've smashed it. This is the final push. All good to go. Final day at Goodwood, here we go, smashed it yesterday, record breaking, whatever. If you enjoy watching my videos, please be kind enough to hit the subscribe button. It really helps my channel and I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Cheers, the end of another day. That's probably done.